In this video, we're unboxing and installing Ford Explorer door lower rocker panel. Door lower rocker panel. Trim clips. Tools required for removing and installing the Ford Explorer door lower rocker panel. Trim removal tool. Open the door. Firmly pull outward to remove the door lower rocker panel. Use a trim removal tool to remove any remaining clips. Comparison between the old and new door lower rocker panels. Before installing the new door lower rocker panel, we need to install the retaining clips onto the lower rocker panel. Align the retaining clips with the mounting holes on the rocker panel and install them. Install the remaining retaining clips using the same method. View after all clips are installed. Align the retaining clips on the lower rocker panel with the holes on the door for installation. Once the holes are aligned, firmly tap the lower rocker panel into place. Close the door